This video will show how a housekeeping professional performs the standard procedures cleaning the dining area. In cleaning a dining area, there are 5 major activities that have to be done. Here are the steps and procedures. Step 1. Dust all surfaces. Dust the dining area in every corner where the wall meets the ceiling and floor. Dust any decorative accessories and wall frames. Step 2. Clean the dining table and chairs. Remove all items on the table, separate leftovers, and do proper segregation of trash. Use an all-purpose cleaner and water for cleaning. Use a microfiber cloth in cleaning the surface for a streak-free and lint-free look. Clean under the table and apply right cleaning chemical. Wipe down all the areas to eliminate dust. Step 3. Vacuum the upholstery. Vacuum the cushion to remove crumbs. Step 4. Clean floors. Sweep the floor to remove food crumbs. Mop the floor, whether wood tiles or vinyl. Step 5. Be sure to take a last look. Check if there are cleaning materials and supplies left in the area. Thank you and see you on your next learning journey.